Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. So guys, today we are talking about Dominic Zaqa. Yeah? Dominic Zaqa is one of the biggest people on TikTok. She is just bubbly person, bubbly personality, and also sometimes a bully, but a lot of people guess and are not ready to admit that. But sometimes she can be a little bit too much. So Dominic Zaqa is part of the LGBTQI community. I stand to be corrected on that. Ne? And then so there was this war that was going on between her and Gogos Koteni, because Gogos Koteni was referring to Dominic as a he. Gogos Koteni went as far as calling Dominic Ntate Dominic. She was like, hey, nah, Ngiyamuthaba Ntate Ola, Ntate Dominic. So that's what started the war. It was an ongoing war. Some people were defending Dominic, and then Dominic called Gogos Koteni homophobic. And then there's some people who are part of the LGBTQI community were also saying, Gucci, Gogos Koteni, you are wrong for this. Just apologize, Nje. You were wrong. You are homophobic, and you are not supposed to say that, because this person identifies as a she. And yes, Dominic can be a bully on TikTok, but we need to respect that. Magati yena who identify as a she, then we will refer to her as a she, right? I think that's just fair. So again, now it went as far as a lot of celebrities were also jumping in on the matter. People like Usomizi, people were just calling out to Gogos Koteni, and then Gogos Koteni was like, "No, I said what I said, and I stand on what I said." And then some people were also on Gogos Koteni's side, Uguti, yeah, now Dominic, when she is bullying other people on the internet, she goes as far as calling their workplaces, guys, in to get these people fired from work, when they are saying something bad to her, maybe in the comment section, or maybe they're doing stitches on TikTok. They know, like, even people are afraid of her because they know, even me, myself, and I never comment on her videos, Kesana, because in their sub, and sometimes you will be saying something nice, but maybe to her it doesn't sound nice, and then now you will be trending, so I just watch and just skip. So again, now, okay, it was an ongoing war. It got to a point where Dominic was just like, you know what? Let me take a break from social media. She decided to take a break from social media. She was like, I am taking a break for my mental health. This is just too much. She released a statement on Instagram and Facebook, letting the fans and followers that, guys, thank you so much for being with me, but I feel like I should take a break now because this whole thing that is happening is just so much for me. I cannot take it anymore. I just need a break. Then I will come back when I'm refreshed. And then people were like, yes, and in the comment section, as you all know, people were like, yeah, you are running away because now it's your turn. Now it's your turn to face the music because you are always abusing other people on the internet. And then some were like, take the break, you deserve it and stuff. But most majority of the people were like, yes, yes, Cal, finally you met your match. You've been abusing us here on the internet. And not so long ago, there was this beef between Dominic and some other guys. I don't want to say kid because I don't know how old he is, but like he looks like he's between 18 or 17 to 19 there. He looks so young. Oh, Dominic was coming for that kid. She was coming for that kid. Okay, so I don't know, guys. I don't know. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Do you think what Dominic is doing to other people is fair? And do you feel sorry for her now that she is facing the music and running away? Because I feel like Mina, she was not supposed to leave. Face the music. I'm sure now you're always doing this to other people. Kodwa ke sana anditsho uba ndithini, gona it was wrong for Gogos Koteni to call Dominic Ntate Dominic, because ushilo musuguti she identifies as a she. So that's so wrong on so many levels. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Please let me know what do you think of today's topic. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. I have a 2-year-old son, and yeah, it's a mission recording videos. I don't know how many times I tried to record, and he's been disturbing me. So I'm sorry for the background noise, but thank you so much. I will see you on my next one. Bye.